Assalamualaikum. Here are many charts in class 4. This is the anatomy of the lungs. You can also recognize this through this sketch. Made by Sirti Asha. Clapping for him. Clapping for her. Here is the speech about manners in our classroom. Made by Tahzeeb Nazir. Clapping for. And the other one is sketch about Khana Kaaba. Allah Ta'ala ka ghar. Clapping. Here is the sketch and chart of Ramadan Mubarak. Clapping for her, Sania. Solar system, sun and other planets. Clapping for Naresh. माशाल्लाह अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह ये बहुत एक मुहज़्ज़ब चीज़ है। हज़रत मोहम्मद सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम की जो रेस चलती आ रही है, उनकी नस्ल मुबारक रेस चलती आ रही है, उनका स्केच मेड बाय मोहम्मद गुलाम फरीद. क्लैपिंग फॉर हिम. Now the main thing and important thing is that links of food chain in a circle form. Very good. Clapping for Khuzaima. माशाल्लाह. तअव्वुज़ और तस्मिया made by Tahreem, class 4. Clapping for her. Student learns this sort of stuff through these sketches and anatomy of teeth. The structure of teeth, molar, semi-molar, oval, cavity, tooth decay, and the